Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Smart Sketcher. So if you guys have one of these, it's basically you put a piece of paper down and then you trace it. You trace the projection. The Smart Sketcher projects. I don't know how to say that, but I guess that's it. So you're gonna see that right there. That app right there. You're gonna need the Smart Sketcher Projector app, and I'm gonna create a new account for the purpose of this video. So look right here. We've got Smart Sketcher. You're gonna press, I have a Smart Sketcher because you have one right here. And make sure you have Bluetooth and put it right up here. Allow it to use Bluetooth. Locating it. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Remember, you have to turn this on.
Life.
You have to turn this on back here. Alright. Let me adjust this to where it's directly on the paper. Okay. Perfect. Okay, let's try again. We have to make sure we have it on, and it's on. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Found it. This doesn't work on some. So I'm gonna make a new account for the purpose of this video. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to use a nickname. I'm gonna choose Bob. I don't know. You have to put your birth year. Let's say Bob's birth year is 1995. So we'll go ahead and select that. Hit next. And then we get to choose any character. And so we have to select all the things I like. Let's choose this stuff. Okay, so when you selected all of that, you want to press Add Profile. Now it's going to put you. Let's go to Bob's profile. We're on Bob's now. And now we can see all the things he likes here. So I'm gonna choose something really simple, like this race car right here. Okay? So you got on both screens. You want to press start. Race car. And it'll show up on there also. Wow. That's a lot of music. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this because I have to go to the restroom. Okay guys, so I'm back and we're back with Bob again. So we got this race car and it shows up on the Smart Sketcher as on the phone. Now you don't really need the phone anymore. You just need this now. So you see you have this these white right and left arrows. You want to press the right white right button to do the first step, and if you want to go back one step, press the white left button. Don't press any. Pressing these shapes will change like what drawing you want to do when you're on the other page. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and
life.
Alright guys, so here is one of the drawings of the race car. You can't really see it from the camera right there. Excuse that. You can't see it from the camera, but I drew a race car, tracing it, obviously. That nice car. Now when you're on this part right here, you don't really have to trace the background, but you can. I got some other drawings that I will show you. I got some other drawings I did with the Smart Sketcher, and I think I'll show them right now. So here is all the drawings I made with the Smart Sketcher, and I'll be showing them right now. So first I have this rocket ship, and I traced it, and I made my own background. No, wait, that's actually... No, I traced the background there, and this is one of the ones I did. This is the rocket ship. It says 99999 miles per hour right there. And I think this was the first one I drew, which looks really nice. By the way, I got this Smart Sketcher for Christmas, and I love it. Okay, so we got a supercar right there on the highway. I also traced that background. Here's the race car I just drew with the traced background. I used color for this one. So yeah. We got an astronaut right there. As you can see, an astronaut. We got a dinosaur also. I didn't trace the background on this one. Here's the astronaut. On the Smart Sketcher, you also have you can take pictures of things and then trace it. And I did with this. This is my dad. There. And here's another one. I took a picture of a army guy soldier action figure, and this wasn't a traced background. I made the background just by myself, and there's a really messed up version of my dad I gave up on. Yeah, that is the Smart Sketcher. And if you guys like that, like, subscribe, turn on notification. We'll see y'all next time. Wait, I gotta do this. Bye!